Hey guys, this lesson will assemble RGB module on traffic light. RGB modules, screw back, 50 cm 4-pin wall. This is acrylic board. Remember to peel off a layer of film at the surface of board. Now, assembling RGB module. Please note the assembling direction of RGB module. The assembly host is at the top of board. Then use the long screws and nuts to fix RGB module. Assemble nylon columns to these two holes. Now, assemble another acrylic box of nylon columns. Okay, you can load these two lights from this hole. Connect 4-pin wire. Take out the traffic light bracket and assemble RGB module on it. The assembly side is the side without triangle accessories. The assembly position on bracket corresponds to these two holes. The two holes on board are in here. Use screws to fix it. Take out the rest of the items. Assemble batteries and pay attention to the battery direction. Then assemble the battery box to the controller. Connect 4-pin wire to number 8 port. Now switch on battery box and then controller. Before assembling traffic light, you can refer to the corresponding tutorial to download program. Okay, this is the end of the video.